In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reconnect your Amazon Fire TV remote to your TV when only the power button is working. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing I'd recommend doing is just making sure that your remote has fresh batteries and then try spam pressing the home button a few times. Sometimes simply the remote needs to reconnect and this will fix it instantly. If that doesn't work, press and hold the home button down for about 15 seconds to force pairing mode. If your remote still isn't working, we're going to have to reset it. To do this, press and hold down 3 buttons all at the exact same time: the menu button, the back button, and then left on the D-pad. Hold these down for about 15 seconds and you may see an LED light blink up at the very top. If you don't, that's okay. The remote is still reset. From here, unplug your Amazon Fire TV from power for about 60 seconds and then plug it back in and press the home button again for 15 seconds to reconnect it. And after trying these steps, your Fire TV remote should be fully connected again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.